Hello guys, Louis vlogging here and welcome. So right now is December 31, 2024. So this is the last day of all of the memories of 2024. So right now or today's morning is we are going to make macaroni. So yeah, very typical here in the Philippines every December. And by the way, um, I just want to thank you to all of you guys in the YouTube channel and also all of my friends, supporter and yeah, thank you very much for you guys for giving me support and also watching my all of my dumbest video that that you all not like typically vlog. Not the greatest one, but it very it's just like only an experience thing that I'm doing every day in my life. So yeah, another great year and another great day. So this is the last thing that I already experienced for my whole life for 2024, and yeah, it's very overwhelming. So yeah. So yeah, good morning again, and yeah, so I just want to set up all of the electronics, especially the karaoke outside, but there is what happened in the background over right there. So there, here's the problem here. I have so many raining last night, and I don't know how to configure at this morning if I'm going to continue to set up some karaoke outside. So my plan here, wait, over right there. So there I'm going to set up a speaker, some kind of lights, disco lights, anything. I don't know, but let's see this coming afternoon or going to evening. I will try to, if the I hope there have no rain this coming midnight or going tonight. So yeah, it's a very quite challenging for me to set up this thing, but it will be continue the rain. It's all right because that is a very blessing. That is a blessing for us here. We have a great such a new year because there have a raining better than nothing, diba guys? So yun. So yeah, yeah.